Alright guys, just wired on a new 7-blade connector for my car trailer. And after doing a lot of research, so many different online diagrams show different wiring. Here's what I found. This trailer has been rewired at some point and has this 16 by 6 trailer cable. I just put this new connector on because my old one was fried. But here's what I did. So first thing on the new one, undo this little guy right here. You can actually see inside there. It's so blurry when it's out of the way. And then push forward. And of course nothing will be wired when you take yours off. But then here's the part you actually have to wire. I'll show you what this one is. So here's the top little hump here. So of course backup center, ground, left turn, tail lights or running lights, auxiliary, right turn, and electric brakes, which is usually blue. This little wiring harness that I got, there's no blue, and I was kind of confused because a lot of wiring diagrams didn't show red. So I finally got wired up right, and I found the red to be the center backup. And then like a lot of other wiring schematics are pretty general, with the yellow being left turn, brown running lights or tail lights, green being right turn signal, black power or auxiliary, so the top right here, and white of course ground. And I just wired on like this. You can see the ridge on the bottom kind of matches the picture right there. So I just wanted to give you guys a little, and this trailer has a brake light or electric brakes, but there's no wiring in this new wiring, so I just wired it up for now, and that's how I got everything to work with the red in there. And a lot of if your truck or SUV comes factory wired, there's often a little schematic that will show you on the cap on how the truck or SUV wiring is set up. As you can see right there, it kind of shows you. This is with the new 7-blade harness, so just had to make sure everything was correct and lined up. I know there's so many different wiring diagrams out there, so sometimes you just gotta trial and error, plug it in, see if it works. Turn your left, then right, then running lights, and see how the trailer reacts to those lights. But that's what worked for me, so good luck guys. That's how I wired in my 7-blade for this little utility car trailer.